Langsung
Assalamualaikum
start.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Mr. Haykal, can you explain about your technology innovation?
Yeah, yes, Mr. Faruq. Okay, I will explain my technology is about virtual reality or VR. Is a technology that allow user to interact with a computer simulate environment, a real world environment that is copied or a fictitious environment that exists only in the imagination. VR or virtual reality offer many advantages for human daily life. The use of VR has also been applied in many fields such as see the design of a house or hotel to play game to fly an aircraft for those who are prospective pilots. VR usually requires special equipment such as a computer screen, speaker to retrieve information, and various other complementary equipment. Uh, how VR works? So how does this advantage technology work? The way VR works is by manipulating the human brain so that they can feel various virtual things that are more real. You could say VR make human as if they enter the virtual world and are not in contact with the real world. There are several important elements in VR, such as virtual world, which is content that create a virtual world in the form of screenplay or script. There is also immersion, which a sensation that bring technology user to feel the existence of an environment that seem real. Another element is interactivity, which is useful for responding to user action. Thus, user can also interact directly in the virtual world. Advantage and disadvantage of VR in a technology that has helped many human jobs to date. VR offer various advantages and disadvantages. To find out more clearly about the advantage and disadvantage of VR, you can refer to the following review. The review is advantage of virtual reality is with the existence of VR. Work that was initially difficult can be done more easily. An example is when design various type of building such as house, hotel, or building. The use of VR technology also allows someone to have more fun. Until now, there are a lot of VR game that can be used to relieve fatigue and stress that you can try. Just the type of game you can as your stress reliever. And disadvantage of VR is offer many advantages. VR also has disadvantage that should be considered. That's the disadvantage of VR is the increase in employment because fewer people are need to design different types of project. In addition, some people also tend to prefer interacting with the artificial world over the real world, not to mention the manufacturer of VR tend to be expensive and various other shortcomings that should be considered before use. Okay, that's explaining of VR.
Oh,
Next,
okay. Cool technology for VR. It's is that
yeah,
expensive?
yes, it's very expensive, man.
Oh wow. Okay. Mm, Next, can I explain my technology?
Yeah, sure, you can explain your technology.
Okay. Here I will explain about edge computing. Edge computing has several advantages that make it increasingly popular in the world of technology. Here are some of the main advantages of edge computing. First is real-time data processing. Edge computing enables data processing directly at the place where the data is generated. This enables real-time analysis and action without having to send data to remote data center. This higher process this Higher processing speed is critical for applications that require instant response, such as the Internet of Things or IoT and sensor application. The second advantage of edge computing is latency reduction. By processing data at the edge of the network, latency can be reduced significantly because the data does not need to make the longer journey to the data center. This is crucial of highly time-sensitive applications such as autonomous vehicle and industrial control system. The third advantage of edge computing is bandwidth usage efficiency. By performing data processing at the edge of the network, only relevant innovation or required result need to be sent to the data center. This reduces the load of the network and help optimize bandwidth usage. The last advantage is data security privacy. By processing data locally in the network edge, there is the potential to improve data security and privacy. And then next is disadvantage. Although edge computing has many advantages, as mentioned previously, it also has several disadvantages that need to be considered. The disadvantage is management complexity. Managing a large number of devices at the network edge can be a complex task. It requires sophisticated software and management system to ensure that all devices at the edge of the network can operate efficiently and securely. The next is power limitation. Some devices at the edge of the network may have power of computing capacity limitation that can be bottleneck of application that require intensive processing of application that run on device with limit power. The next disadvantage is interoperability. Some challenge may arise regarding interoperability between devices at the network edge that come from different vendors. Lack of uniform standard can make integration and collaboration between devices difficult. That from edge computing, that's enough.
Mm,
That's all.
yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Mr. Farouk. What can conclude to this material,
The
to technology,
Okay,
Mr.
thank you.
Farouk?
The conclusion of this meeting for the technology is the technology we discuss is it can be concluded that all the technology created and developed is very advancement of human civilization, which will make it easier for us to do our daily work.
Okay,
It's for
okay,
me.
okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Mister.
Thank you
Thank
for
you,
the
thank you.
attending for this night.
Standing.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.